All right, buddy, check this out. I love this webcam, and it shows something pretty cool on here as well. So we've got this stratus overcast sky with the clouds and some showers. And then notice this cloud right there. Notice how it pierces, okay, at the end of the loop, right there. Pierces the stratus cloud deck. And that is a thunderstorm. Boom, just kind of raising up there. And we'll actually get some snow out of this as it moves right over the tippy tops of some of the mountains. And so that is there on satellite again from earlier today. And we're getting a few scattered showers. That will continue as this trough is over us. But notice most of the shower activity. If we draw a line where the axis of the trough is, it's generally along and east of that axis. And so that's coming through. That's where we're getting some of those showers and heavier rain off to the far east. Hey, looking back at our temperatures, we ended up hitting 92 on Sunday. That was a record high. I just want to point that out. And then we've been just dive bombing and much colder Monday and again Tuesday. Now it's going to remain cool for the overnight tonight at least. Then technically we do have a bit of a warm up. So tomorrow should be a couple degrees warmer than today, still well below the average. And then each day we're kind of warming up and actually getting closer to average going into Friday and above average Saturday, Sunday kind of thing. So it looks pretty nice. We will have daily shower chances. That kind of tapers off on Friday. And so most of the weekend should be dry for us. We do have a mixture of rain, snow mix possible overnight tonight with those cooler temperatures just off to our west, getting up in the mountains a little bit. Du Bois, for example, could end up seeing a little rain, snow mix. And then here in Casper, we're just looking at a general thunderstorm chance. Really no accumulation expected though, so I wouldn't be so worried about that. Just note early on, Bighorn Mountains, parts near Wyoming, and Wind River Range could all have that. As the storms or showers head east, we could end up seeing around 1/4 of an inch. This is through 7 p.m. Thursday, and that's where we'll pick up the bulk up until that time frame. Some areas may see 3/4 of an inch. So as we look at the broad perspective over the next 5 days, again, most of the rain kind of wraps up here by Thursday, then a slightly drier stretch. So about 1/4 of an inch for us. And get into the Black Hills, they could end up seeing around 1/2 an inch to 3/4 of an inch. Same thing with the Bighorn Mountains, also down to the south. So lows dropping down to 31, just below freezing Yellowstone. So watch out for that early on. Could have some slick spots, of course. 39 in Rawlins, 44 here in Casper. And then highs quickly warming up will be in the low to mid 60s, well below the average, but a little bit warmer than today. 57 in Yellowstone after that cold start. Then we continue to warm up. So some rain Wednesday night into Thursday, maybe a few lingering showers Thursday into Friday, and then it clears out looking nice.